Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tag Botany. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon to get more and more videos from this channel. Friends, today's topic is Cyathea inflorescence of family Euphorbiaceae. So what is Cyathea inflorescence? Cyathea inflorescence contains terminal single naked female flower. So this is the longitudinal section of the Cyathea inflorescence, in which this is the terminal single naked female flower. It is called as naked because it does not have calyx and corolla. Female flower is represented by tricarpellary gynoecium. So here you can see 1, 2 and 3. These are the three styles. That means three carpels are there. Tricarpellary gynoecium is the form of female flower in this Cyathea inflorescence. Female flower is surrounded by involucre. So this is the involucre of bracts which surrounds this female flower. Involucre is of the cup shape, that is, it is cup like and made up of cephaloid connate bracts. The bracts are attached to each other and these are green in color, so that they are called as cephaloid bracts. In the axil of the bracts, group of stamens develop. So these are the stamens that develop in the axil of these cephaloid bracts. Each stamen is a naked male flower. So each stamen here, they are a naked male flower. That means they are also naked, means they are not having calyx and corolla. They are having this pedicel, then filament and anther. So this is the form of this male flower: pedicel, then filament and anther. Male flower, upper part anther and lower part filament. So upper part is this anther and lower part is filament. Then nectar secreting glands on the rim of involucre. Nectar secreting glands can be seen on the sides, on the edge or on the rim of this involucre. Glands are oval or crescent shaped and brightly colored. So the shape of the gland may be oval or crescent and they are brightly colored glands. So why Cyathea is an inflorescence and it is not flower? Although it appears like a flower, but it is not flower, it is inflorescence. Why is it so? So the reasons behind that are: first reason, naked male flowers start ripening centrifugally. So the male flowers, they start ripening, maturing centrifugally, means from center to periphery. They are jointed, lower part pedicel bearing the flower. So male flower is jointed, having jointed appearance. Male lower part is pedicel and upper part is filament, having anther. Development of stamen in scorpioid manner. So the stamens develop in a scorpioid manner. Single naked female flower in the center. So there is single naked female flower in the center. So all these reasons indicate that Cyathea is an inflorescence and not the flower. So in this picture you can clearly see this is the naked female flower having ovary. This is pedicel, ovary, and these are the styles having stigmas. Three styles, three carpels, tricarpellary gynoecium. This is involucre of bracts, that is cup-like involucre. Then the bracteoles. This is nectar gland, which is brightly yellow in color. Then these are the male flowers. So this is all about the Cyathea inflorescence. Thank you very much.